Okay, in the previous video we looked at using compounding tables to work out the value of an investment over time. So each time it going up and up, and the increase goes up and up as well. This time we're going to use recursion to do the same thing. So remember that a recurrence relation for compound interest looks like this. So you've got your principal there, and you've got your next term is equal to the multiplier times the current term. Okay, so this is next term, this is current term, and the multiplier can work for compound interest if we use the plus there, or it can work for reducing balance if we use the negative there, and that's what helps us increase the value over time. So if we think about the sequence recursively, we have to do it one step at a time. Now you'll only be asked to do this 5 times in a row. So we start with our V0 equals 76,000, and it's going to go up 5% each year for 5 years. So to work out V1, we're going to have to get the multiplier, which is 1 plus 5 over 100, and times that by V0, which is 76,000. So that 1 plus 5 over 100 becomes 1.05. And it's important that we can express these as decimals because it saves us a lot of time. So if I type that into the calculator, it will work out V1. And whatever I get for V1, I'm going to carry that down and do the same thing to get V2. Okay, so let's just use the calculator now to work out what V1 is. Start new. So if I just press answer times 1.05, this will work it out for me every time. And I can keep hitting enter then, and it works out the next one and the next one. So that's a little tip for you. If you just press answer, type answer, and we'll press control and this little negative symbol to give it answer, times 1.05, and then you can keep pressing enter. Okay, so that's using the formula of interest equals new value minus original value. Okay, and so you must pay attention to those details in the question. The interest is the difference. Okay. Okay, now we're going to do the same calculation using a formula. So, for 5 years, you simply want to times it 5 times. So we're going to start with our Vn, and that's going to be equal to the original value, V0, times 1 plus or minus R over 100 to the power of n. So in this case, we've got V5 equals 76,000 times 1 plus 5 over 100 to the power of 5. Okay, which is equal to 76,000 times 1.05 to the power of 5. So we're going to type that in the calculator and double check our answers. So 76,000 times 1.05 to the power of 5. And we get the same answer, 96907.40. Okay, so this is a lot faster. However, it's not recursive. Okay, so that's using a formula instead. In the next video, we're going to look at reducing balanced loans.